Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, also known as K Clark. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe below and turn on your bell notifications so every time I post a video, you'll be the first ones to know. Okay, so I know you guys saw the title of this video. The title of this video says that we are going to do a clean with me. This is my bedroom behind me. You see, it looks like it's all over the place. We just got up. Everything looks a mess. But the other day I went shopping. I will insert clips here. You will see that I went shopping and purchased a bunch of things to turn this room into something a little more cuter than what it is now. I went and had pictures developed, and today I'm just going to put everything together, and hopefully you guys like what I do with the room. See you guys soon. Guys, here is the room. I am officially done working on it. It came out really good. I'm really excited, and when I tell you I cannot wait to get in this bed, I cannot wait to get in this bed. So let me just go through the room really quick just to give you guys an idea of what I did and where I got these things from. So let's start over here. These curtains I got from Target. They were about $26, $27. I got 2 panels, they're 84 inches. Over here, I also bought these frames from Target. They're like floating frames, I guess you could call it, where it's like glass around the picture and not actually a board in here. So you can see through it. I can fill the whole thing if I want to, or break up pictures like I did in this one. These are just pictures of me and my boo on like our vacations and just special events. Over here, what I did was I bought extra pillows. I got these pillows from, well, I got this one from Target. I got these 2 pink ones from IKEA, and I got these 4 in the back from Target as well, with the sheets, which are also new. I got this comforter set from Target. Look at the detailing on this comforter. Isn't it beautiful? It's pink. Now over here we have the nightstand. And if you look on the nightstand, you see that we have some jewelry over there. That's just me and my boyfriend's. We have a card over here. This card he actually got me when he got back off of vacation and I didn't go. And I was sad because I missed him. So he bought a card back, and he also bought me this big bear that's over here. This big guy right here. And we actually call him Heartfelt. So he got me this so whenever he's not here and I'm alone, I don't have to be lonely. So I thought that was really cute. Let's go back over here. Underneath we have his computer. We have a floor fan. I guess it's called the window fan. It's a window fan, but we have the air conditioner in the window. We just have it in here just in case, you know, the AC is just a little too much and we just want a little bit of air. At nighttime, we just put the fan up and just have it circulate a little bit with some air in here. So now we have this TV. This is a new TV, but we did not get it this week. We got it probably like a month ago. So I believe it's like a 55 inch. Over here on this dresser, we just have like air fresheners. I put one on each side just to make the room smell good. I have candles that I actually have out here too. Here is a chair that I have in the room, and over there you see there's an ottoman for it where you just put it in front, put your feet up. It's actually a massage chair that I don't even use for that. It's just a chair so that you don't have to sit on the bed if you come into this bedroom. Another cool thing is that there is a bathroom in this room. I'm not sure if you guys knew that or not, but yes, there is a bathroom in the bedroom. So I don't have to go into the hallway to use the regular bathroom, especially if you have company over. It's really nice to have that. Over here is something cool that I just bought. Obviously I got it from Target as well because everything is from Target. So this is actually almost like a to-do list. It's like having one big Post-it broken up by the days of the week. So I thought this was really cool. On this side of the wall, there's actually a mirror. This mirror is so beautiful. It has beautiful curves, so it gives like definition to this room as well. But this mirror is not new. This mirror has been here the entire time. And let me tell you guys one more thing. This rug right here, I got this rug from Target for $15. Can you guys see this rug? $15. No way is this $15. Like, no way is that $15. Like, and look how it just works in the room. Do you see that? It just works. Like, it ties it in. It makes it really warm and homey. Honestly, I didn't do too much to the room other than hang up the pictures and change the curtain and the bedding and put this rug in. But honestly, this room looks so much better than it looked before. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but at the beginning of this video, you did see it was real bare and plain looking, and there was no throws on the bed. I left those on the bed. So this is what the room turned out to be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.